Hello, greeting of the day. My name is Rohit Yadav.
And I am Nidha Parveen. We are final year student of BTech Electrical Engineering from BN College of Engineering and Technology, Lucknow. This is our project PLC based automatic stamping and counting system. As we know that stamping is the necessary part of packaging of any product in any industry to stamp their logo on their product. Uh, in our project there are different modules. This is conveyor belt which is driven by DC motor, and this is pneumatic system which is responsible for stamping process over the object with the help of solenoid valve and air compressor. And this is the counting unit which used to count the object which passes over the conveyor belt, and whole process will be controlled by PLC. And now component description and working explanation will be continued by my group member Rohit.
Thank you, Nidha. As Nidha told you short introduction about my project, then I will discuss about component. Our project is consists to proximity sensor and one IR sensor for counting system. And stamping is done by the pneumatic cylinder. Pneumatic cylinder is work on the principle of mechanical, that is convert air compress into linear motion, which is driven by air compressor, and air compressor controlled by our solenoid valve. Solenoid valve is a electromechanical device which is work on the manually as well as electrically. And our solenoid valve is controlled by PLC, and PLC consists Arduino Nano and relays, connector, register, and IC device. Most of the component used work on the principle of DC. So we use a SMPS supply which is convert AC into DC. And this is my counting system. Here is display unit, and here is controlling. So when we start the process, we kept the object on the first sensor, and proximity sensor is the object and start the conveyor belt. After some time, my object reaches proximity sensor 2 and stop conveyor. After some time, and pneumatic cylinder stamp on the object. After stamping, my object is going to the counting system, and our process is done. Thank you. That is my working process.